Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are looking for commercial real estate opportunities, whether you are buying, leasing, or leasing properties, well, this website, the Loopnet, is a go-to platform for real estate professionals and investors. So in this tutorial, I will walk you through how to use Loopnet step by step. So this includes searching for properties, filtering listings, creating alerts, and listing your own properties. So here guys, the first thing we need to do here is to go to their website, which is the loopnet.com, and of course, you can sign up for a free account or login. So while you can browse some listings for free, the premium memberships offer additional features like unlimited searches, detailed property data, and the market analytics. So once logged in guys, your dashboard gives you a quick access to save searches, favorites, alerts, and listings. So here in Save Searches guys, you can keep track of properties matching your criteria, while on your favorites, you can save properties for later review. Alerts, you can get notified when new property hit the market, or the listings, you can manage your own property listings if you are a seller or the broker. So here guys, to find commercial properties, you can use the search bar at the top. Well, you can filter properties by the location, property type, price range and size, and in the cap rate and investment metrics, and in the listing type. So of course, you can use the map view to visualize and then explore listings and hover over properties for a quick preview. You can also click on any listings to see full details including photos, financials, and contact information. So, on setting up property alerts, if you want to stay updated on new listings, the website allows you to create a property alerts so you don't miss out on great deals. So to set up an alert, you just need to perform a search with your preferred filters, click Save Search, and name it. And you can choose how often you want to receive alerts, either daily, weekly, or monthly. So now whenever a new property matches your criteria, you will get a notification via email. And on analyzing the property listings, once you find a property you're interested in, click on it to view. So here on property description guys, this is the key details about the asset. And then the photos and videos is for interior, exterior, and aerial views. And then on the broker contact, this is directly message the listing agent for more details. And on the financial summary is for listing price, estimated returns, and lease terms. So of course guys, the premium users may also access additional market reports and investment insights. So on listing a property on this website, what you need to do here is you just need to click on sell and then create listing. Here you can enter key details such as the property address, the type, the price or lease terms, and then the property size, and then of course the features, and then the high quality photos, and in the marketing description. So they also offers free and paid listing options, with premium listings getting more exposure and better placement in search results. So they also have their what we call this contacting brokers and the sellers. So for serious inquiries, be prepared with questions about lease terms, financing options, and potential investment returns. And that's how you use Loopnet for real estate. Whether you are searching for commercial properties, listing an asset, or analyzing deals, this platform offers powerful tools to help you succeed. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more real estate guides.